What is up, peeps? V here. The weather still bad, very bad. Even my hair stays in a lot of directions because of the wind. So I'm gonna go inside, gonna open some more Pokemon stuff because it's Friday and I have to open Pokemon stuff. So see you soon. Hope for good. Yo peeps, welcome again to another I don't know how to call it, but yeah, mixed up goodies that I found on different auctions, very cheap ones. These actually were bought on the store. These contain XY packs. I was really surprised when I actually saw these ones being brought again. As you can see here, it has XY packs, so I'm really hyped. I bought two of them. I'm really hyped to see what packs are inside. But first, we will go into these goodies. We have for today 4 Brilliant Stars packs and 2 Eevee Heroes. So without further ado, let's go into these. First one, a Brilliant Stars. Pew pew. Go card. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we have first card, Energy, Floatzel, Choice Belt, Vibrava, Spiritomb, Purloin, Milcery, Shinx, Impidimp, Reverse Hollow Leopard, and a Wormadam. Boo. First pack of Brilliant Stars did not bring anything brilliant. Second pack. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we have again Energy, Staravia, Monferno, Gloria, Chimecho, Gibble, Turtwig, Trapinch, Piplup, Reverse Hollow Crawdant, and a Mothim normal. Damn. As you might have noticed, I'm not playing with the coin today because, yeah, too few packs, too little to actually flip it and stuff. So I'm not gonna do that. Third pack. We have Gold card. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a V-Star card. 4 to the front. And we have the Lamborghini giving V-Star card. Team Yell's Cheer. Marnie's Pride. Marnie's Pride again. Okay. 2 Marnie's Pride, one another. Cherubi. Riolu, Starly, Spiritomb, Purloin, Reverse Hollow, Frenzingeller, and the last one is a Muck, a normal Muck. Seems like these packs were weighted, so they say, but you can't weigh these packs. Fourth pack, Charizard. Let's go. Let's see. Do we get any goodie in this last pack? We have the code card here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and we have Psychic Energy, Vibrava, Tropius, Claydol, Chimecho, Chimchar, Mincino, Baltoy, Snorunt. We have a Reverse Hollow Professor's Research and Clink Clank. What is going on with these packs? 4 packs, no hits at all. Jesus. Let's go into the Eevee Heroes ones. These are actually cute to open. Japanese, a little bit harder to actually open, but I'm gonna use a cutter. I'm not gonna, there we go. I don't know how the magic is with this one. Was it like this? I think so. One to the front. First, one Persian, Eevee, Voltorb, Spider, and the trainer, and that's all. Because we have 5 cards. So, there's that. Cool. Cool Japanese look. Let's open the second one. Second pack. I really hate opening these type of packs because they open so bad sometimes. So this is so first. Ooh, these Japanese look so nice, such nice cards. Look at this pincer, for example, and boo, boo, no hits. No hits. And no, you cannot weigh these cards. Stop thinking that you can weigh the cards. You can't. Let's open these two packs. Jesus, these 2 mini tins. Starting off with the Pikachu. Remember, kids, do not use a knife, not even in the presence of your parents. Let them use it for you. And there's a fat Dragonite coin, the Pikachu thingy, and inside we have a Vivid Voltage and a Darkness Ablaze. What? Are you kidding me? So they reissued these. They said an XY. I'm not kidding. Wait, where is it? You can actually see each Pokemon TCG XY series booster pack contains blah 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 blah, and it has Sun and Moon and XY. These tints, this is what they should have had. They're giving me Darkness Ablaze and Vivid Voltage. Seriously. Darkness Ablaze it is. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we have Psychic Energy, Old PC, Ariados, Dugtrio, Larvesta, Hypopatus, Golett, Skitty the Witty, Dano, Reverse Hollow Parasect, and the last one is a Beartic Normal. So no Charizard. No Charizard. Boo. Time to open the Vivid Voltage one. Let's see. Cold card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and we have Darkness Energy, Careless, Dusclops, Electric, Riolo, Eevee with Shooting Stars, Seedot, Electrike, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Wyndham Stadium, and come on, next one is a Pikachu. It's not, it's a Bonnet. It's a Bonnet. Ah, the horror. The horror sometimes. Opening the second one. Guess there are no XY, no Sun and Moon packs. So I got scammed. I should report this to Pokemon, but they don't care, so... This is the Bulbasaur 10. Oh. Again, fat Dragonite coin. Bulbasaur. And of course, I wasn't expecting something else. A Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze pack. So, there's that. I'm gonna go with Vivid Voltage this time. And... Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Psychic Energy. Excadrill. Mag Cargo. Nessa. Oh, Pikipek, Mudbray, Joltik, Wheel, Tailo, Reverse Hollow Duskull, and we have a Lucario. Normal Lucario. Okay. Good. Last pack. Darkness Ablaze. Come on, look. Give me that one of those Charizards. Come on. I really miss those for my collection. So here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We have Fighting Energy, Combusken, Glimwood Tangle, Lairon, Purloin, Starly, Aeron, Hupchew, Rowlet, Reverse Hollow Golisopod, and we have
What the hell?
a Kangaskhan holographic. So we have a hit. A hit. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that was all for today, peeps. This is the only actual hit I got from all the thingies that I opened. So I opened like what? 2, 4, 6 with 4, that's 10 packs. I opened 10 packs and I only got me this. I know, my luck is mint. What can I say? Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please do let me in the comment sections below. Would you buy these? And would you actually buy in auctions packs like I did? It's, you know, depends. It's a win-win. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, please do like, share with a friend, subscribe if you did not subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know whenever I upload more goodies, Pokemon, Funko, collections, all those shenanigans. Hope you're staying safe out there together with your friends and family. And until next time, bye-bye.